Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will learn the importance of not null constraint in Microsoft SQL Server or SQL Server Management Studio. When we are developing the application, the database play very important and crucial role in the whole development life cycle because in every application we have to store a data which we need to process for the user, whatever it is, school management system or gym, or even that Facebook have the database to save the data of the user, and for that we need storage. And there are different kind of data which we need to store, like there will be integer, characters, sentences, paragraphs, and bulk of records. In my previous video tutorial I have explained you about the constraints, and now we will one by one discuss about each and every constraint in detail. Here we will discussing about not null constraint. Whenever you have a situation where you don't want to waste the data, whatever its type, it's another thing, and you want to store the data must, then you will go for not null constraint for each of data type. Like here in the database we will create an other table in which we will create some fields which are essential to be filled whenever processing data in database. I will explore first what are the databases I have, and then I will explore the tables in them. Like here we have school, and there are different tables in section of table like name and the name. Click on new query, and let's create a table which need all the data essentially by using the constraint not null and perform its operations. So here we have query, like I will say create table, and not one thing more, it should be select on your current database which is school. Okay, I will use student, and here I need the type of data. Here I will say ID, type of int, and it is must to be filled. I will say not null. Okay, and then I need name of the student, which should be varchar 60 and not null. Then age int not null, and this is the table which we are going to create. Execute. Okay, keyword not where, oops, somewhere it's happened. Okay, not no. Execute. Okay, it's execute successfully. Refresh the tables. Here we have a student table. Now insert the data here, insert into dot student. Here are the values which are ID, comma, name, comma age values 0 comma Sinead comma 10 and execute this. It's executed. Now I will say select all from dbo dot student and now execute this. So here we have the record, but what happen if I will not I will pass null here and execute again this with age 11. Execute. So it's show me the error and say that cannot insert the value null into the column id table this, and column does not allow null values, so insertion is get failed. On other hand, if we have any table having the values null, like column, here we have column not null, and this name is unable to pass the null value. And now I will use this table. I will say insert into dbo dot name, and column is name, values are null, and now execute. So it's get executed because that table allow null values, but where you need the values, essentially you must declare not null. In this case you will not get any column to be empty whenever processing the data, so user must have to enter each of the attribute value which is included in the query. But if the attribute is not included, then we don't need to pass the null parameter for that, and if it is included and we don't have the value, then it will show us the error. I hope this video tutorial is informative regarding the null constraint. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the engineering projects YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye. Have